How to soak fruits for Christmas cake. Watch and enjoy. So in this video, I will show you how I make these nice, delicious jars of soaked fruits. So first, to the jar I had a pound of currant, which I thought I had this video recording, but it did not start. Now I'm adding a pound of mixed peel to this jar, and it just gives it a nice flavor. I went in with a pound of cherries, and these cherries are nice and flavorful, and it's going to bring so much texture to the cake. Then I went in and I added a pound of raisins, and you can't have a cake without having raisins. And all of these fruits, you will not see it when you're making the cake because you're going to blend it out. I add to the jar a pound of prune. If you don't like prune, you don't have to add it, but I do, and you won't even taste it in the fruit cake. I went in and I add another pound of mixed peel, and this is like, the skin of the orange, the lemon, the lime. It's really nice and flavorful, and some other deliciousness in this mixed peel. If you don't, just lay off. It's not a big deal. And I went back in with another pound of raisins. I like a lot of fruits in my fruit cake. It gives it a nice texture, and I tend to blend everything out so you won't be getting like big clumps of fruit in the cake. I submerged this in some white rum and some red wine. I used the Wray & Nephew rum and the Red Label wine, but you could use any white or dark rum or brandy or sherry wine to do your soaking. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching, and have a nice day, and like, comment, and subscribe.